Hello there. My name is Miss Chelsea Jones. I'm one of the visual arts teachers at Albion Middle School. I teach 2D art, studio art, and the 6th grade art wheel. If your child has signed up for one of those classes, I'm going to be their teacher. I wanted to make this video to say hello and introduce myself. I made the video here at home in my garden so that you could see that I love to grow things, but also so that you could see my face. We will be wearing masks in class this year, so that's going to provide some interesting opportunities and some unique challenges to the classroom setting. I just want to let you guys know that we're going to work for maximum flexibility this year, and that I'm really very supportive of school and home communication. So any questions that you have about the class will be posted in Canvas. I'm very good about returning emails, so you can send me emails to Canyon School District. My email will also be posted in Canvas. And let's work together to just make this a really positive experience. And my hope is that the kids will leave my class this year with a profound love of the arts and some new techniques and skills that they can move forward with. Have a great day. See you in class.